So good morning to all of you. I'm Akshay and today we all have gathered here to do debate on a very amazing topic that is about sports should be mandatory at schools or not. So in my personal point of view, sports should be mandatory at schools because it plays a very important role in the overall development of the student. First of all, sports help students to stay physically fit and healthy, which is good for our body. But you can see in this generation, yeah, everyone has a device. Even teenagers, most of the students, they spend a lot of the time on mobile phone, computer, which is not good for their health. This can lead a serious health problem in future, means later in life. But by making sports mandatory at schools, make sure that all students will stay active, physically active, and they will learn the importance of fitness with the help of sport. That's it.
So, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Aksha, and once again we are debating here. Topic of the debate is about sports should be mandatory or not. So, well, I'm in the against of motion. First of all, I would like to talk about interest. And destruction. As you can see that in the India, we have to study 6 and 7 subjects. I'm talking about vocational subject as well. So don't you really think that if we add one more subject, that is a sports period, so what will happen? Destruction will be here. So because of this thing, we won't be able to focus on our main subjects. Okay, because of this thing, we can get less marks in those subjects as well. So this is a main problem. Because of that problem, I would say sports shouldn't be mandatory in the school. And you should know this thing that right now, sport is there in our school. But why you're talking about it should be compulsory. As now I would like to give answer to Rimsha's sister. As in her turn she was talking about that by the sport period what can happen? Students can show their hidden talent. They can show. But that should be related to only sports. If a student is good at singing, so that time will he able to show his interest in the singing by playing sports. So it cannot happen that by playing sports we can show our hidden talent. Now you must speak.
Don't you think that sports makes our mind fresh? If our mind will be fresh, so we can do study betterly.
Okay, as you're talking about fresh mind, so if I say to you in the school, why you're talking about only sports should be here? Don't you know that in a school there is meditation also? So you can do meditation. By meditation you can feel fresh. You can get relaxed as well.
Okay. Now I would like to start my another point. So my another point is about teamwork. You know that how sports will teach us that how to do teamwork. So in the most of the sports games like football, cricket, and basketball, and so on, in these games, one player cannot win. There will be a team. They all will have to cooperate. They all have to communicate to each other. For example, in football, one player passes the ball and another will defend, and another will tries to score. If they won't communicate to each other, if they won't talk to each other, how will they win? The team will lose. So can you tell me that how students will learn the teamwork and discipline without sports?
Okay, as you're talking about discipline, so how? With the help of sports, we can learn discipline. These kind of basic manners we learn from our parents. These kind of basic manners we learn from our teacher. Okay, with the environment. So how can you claim this thing that because of only sports, we can learn discipline, we can learn teamwork. Except that there are other ways as well. Why don't you adopt these all ways?
But it is the best way and fun by which we can learn discipline and teamwork. And now I would like to talk about those people who face struggle but now who are successful in their life. First of all, Mary Kom. She is an Indian boxer. She came from a small village and she faced struggle. But you can see that she became world boxing champion. And another one, Cristiano Ronaldo. He came from a poor family and his father was a gardener. But however, he made his career. He built his career. He left home at a young age and to play a football, and he did hard work and he never gave up, and now you can see that he is the one of the famous footballer in the world. That's it.
Okay, it means you're talking about career options in the sport.
Yeah.
So how many teams, me and my team members need to explain that there are a lot of people who have also played. But however, they do not have anything. They do not have name, fame. So why don't you talk about them all? If I talk about Sita Sahu, who knows Sita Sahu? Do you know? Sabha, do you know? So how can you claim this thing that because of only sports you can get everything? There are other players as well. Why don't you focus on them? If I talk about Sita Sahu, in 2011 she was a champion. Okay, but however right now she is selling golgappe. So that is these
Now-
all things my team member has already told you.